Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel, European Hair Fashion. I hope you're fine and doing good. First of all, I would like to tell you that in my videos, I'll show you trendy haircuts, hair dye and hairstyle ideas all over the world, which makes you look more presentable. If you want to see the latest haircuts, hair colors and hairstyle ideas, friends, then watch my video till the end and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon that you will be notified by my new video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you formal hair ideas for long hairs. There are a lot of formal hairstyles for long hairs: buns, messy and twisted updos, braid and waves are all on the table. You can also consider few of the more modern styles like fishtail ends, side swept or short hair with voluminous tops. Adorned with a pearl and silver pen for elegance, you may also consider a French roll for your natural bob. But if your theme is peachy or garden inspired, an airy wavy is perfect. Guys, this is very informative video, so please watch it till the end so that you do not miss any hairstyle or any haircut idea. And if you want to get this hairstyle, take a screenshot of a hairstyle which you want. By saving the picture, you can easily get this look from any parlor. After watching the video, you guys must throw a comment in the comment section that you like my video, my channel, and suggest to me some good ideas. I will surely make a video for you. I will very happy to follow your comments. Thank you so much guys for trusting on me. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you like my videos, share my videos on your social media accounts. Share it with your friends so that they can visit my YouTube channel and watch the amazing videos and get amazing ideas for haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles. I will continue making more informative videos. Guys, please watch and support my videos. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon that you will be notified by my new videos. And share my videos with your family members and friends so that they get amazing ideas for their hair looks. So guys, that's all in this video. See you guys in the next